Picking the right affiliate marketing program to promote all boils down to ROI. Make no mistake, if you want to succeed with your affiliate marketing business, you have to focus on ROI. If you have a fuzzy idea of what return on investment means, you're playing the game wrong. How do I maximize my income while minimizing my effort? For every minute I spend on doing something, how do I maximize the amount of dollars coming out of that activity? Both these factors must be at play. You always have to constantly filter all your affiliate marketing decisions through these principles. Otherwise, you're not going to make much money in this game. A lot of people get the order wrong. They often build their whole business around an affiliate program. But you don't want to hit a point where you lose passion. Here's where my advice for you comes in. With my advice, you are going to understand the importance of modern affiliate marketing strategies. You will learn to identify niches based on ROI and other crucial factors. You will understand modern conversion systems. You can begin to understand different monetization methods. You're going to learn exactly how to put a heavy focus on the commercial value of your niche. To make it easy, I've put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies. Unleash the power of modern affiliate marketing in 4 steps. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You will become a complete expert on this, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. Picking your niches based on ROI and other crucial factors. Picking the right affiliate program to maximize conversions. How to create niche-focused conversion systems. Traffic generation strategies. Traffic optimization strategies. The key to affiliate marketing success in 2018 and beyond. Plus a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to unleash the power of modern affiliate marketing. But who needs this step-by-step guide? If you answer yes to any of the below, you need this. You want to know how affiliate marketing works. You want to become a successful affiliate marketer. You know that you are playing the game wrong. You want to use modern affiliate marketing strategies. You want to learn how to get the most return for every dollar you spend on your business. Does this sound like exactly what you need? But maybe your question is, how much? If you were going to hire an expert on this to show you how it's done, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars for this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest hundreds and thousands of dollars to get into coaching programs or attend workshops. But you won't have to invest anywhere near that today. And it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies Cheat Sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. Fast action bonus number 2, Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies Mind Map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. The mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Modern Affiliate Marketing Strategies Resource Guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with what you're looking for. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution on how to apply modern affiliate marketing strategies, so it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason, or no reason at all, you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you to unleash the power of modern affiliate marketing. I'll see you on the inside.